So, I live in New York. I have my life right here and my first dinner. It is currently 1 a.m. I'm honestly gonna finish dinner. I will talk to you guys tomorrow and explain everything, but I'm here. I'm in New York. Let's get it going. Alrighty guys, good morning. I know yesterday's little clips weren't that much, but carrying all this luggage around by yourself and trying to get around is a bit much. I needed to get here. I needed to find the place. I needed to bring the luggage up 3 flights of stairs. But I'm here. I'm in New York. I don't know when I'm leaving. That's kind of crazy. I'm gonna charge my camera when I go out today to do some errands. I will show you kind of the place that I'm subletting, that I'm calling home for a month until me and my future roommate Martha, who is coming in tonight, will find a permanent place. So today the plans are I'm gonna go walk around. I'm gonna go do some groceries. I'm gonna probably maybe get a coffee, and then I need toothpaste. I forgot my toothpaste. Yeah, so things like that. That's what I'm gonna do. But I thought I would update you and tell you that I'm here. I made it. I'm awake. I'm alive. I'm happy. And let's go do some errands.
Bring them all over. Ooh, horrendous. Oh my god, to carry. Okay, this is my Target run. I know their fruit is cheaper than Trader Joe's, so I got raspberries and some strawberries. Then I just had some things. I needed conditioner, body wash. I heard this is really good to keep your curls and it's not crunchy, so I'm gonna try this out. And then I got some toothpaste, some of the hyaluronic seal things, because I use those for my pimples. And then this is like my secret to what works with my curly hair. And then my nails are actually growing out except for the one that broke yesterday, so I just need to like even them out, since now that I'm a model I have to make myself look presentable all the time. Alright, so food. In this bag we have Honeycrisp apples, avocados, and red potatoes. I got me some nanners. I got me a cauliflower head. Just got some gluten-free bread. I got my non-dairy. I'm trying this almond cashew macadamia nut beverage. Ooh, let me crack this bad boy open. Oh yeah. Got some creamy peanut butter. I got these gluten-free sweet potato crackers. I don't know, they sounded good. So, I got some avocado spray, carrots, impossible meat, and then the rest is all my frozen items. We have frozen berries, vegetable stir fry, not one cauliflower gnocchi, this is by the way the best pasta ever, but 2, and we got frozen Brussels sprouts. Last but not least, my favorite vegetable, cucumbers. And that's my grocery haul. Yay! Alrighty, I'm gonna make myself food because I haven't eaten, but that is partially too, I ate at like 2 in the morning this morning, so I haven't really been hungry and I've been running around. But I'm gonna make myself some food and I will check back with you guys later. Hello! And I finally showered, I did my hair, and finally eating. I think it's mainly like just like trying to get stuff done or whatever, and I just like wasn't hungry, but finally I was like, oh my god, you need to make yourself something. So I'm eating gnocchi from Trader Joe's, and yeah, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and eat some food. It's been a few hours and now it's 10 o'clock. Today's been a lot of like phone calls, but I did end up doing some email work and messaged my agency just telling them like I'm here and I'm well and I'm ready to work. And oh, I also went to the bodega. I got water. I never know, some people like drink tap water and say it's fine, and some people, like I used to drink tap water and people judge me for it, and so now I'm scared to drink tap water again, and I don't feel like buying a Brita yet, so that's, I got a gallon jug of water. I really didn't eat dinner, but I figured I need to make myself something, so I made myself a yogurt bowl, and I think I'm gonna have crackers and cream cheese, or cucumbers, or an apple, or all of the above. But I'm gonna do this and chill out and wait for Martha to come so I can help her up the stairs. So now we just wait. She is, I think she got her luggage or she's waiting for her luggage, but she will text me when she's in the Uber on the way. God, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be so, hold on. I promise I'll have my camera fixed sometime here in the next video, but until then. Oh my lord, good morning. I look horrendous. But guess who's here? Martha's here! So, she got in last night. What time did you get in? Like 11?
Yeah, 11.
11. And we just talked. Plus we've never met each other in person, so yeah. I thought I'd let you guys know that she has arrived and I'm not fully lonely here. And I will see you guys soon. If you don't put your apples in the fridge, I don't think I can be friends with you. I'm gonna be in one of these commercials. Mark my words. Cute.